Sam?
Ashley, the Department of Environmental Management says the woman was a participant in the New England 100 regatta. Tonight, her friends told me off camera that their hearts are broken, that she was actively involved in this race and throughout the sailing community. New pictures given to NBC 10 News tonight shows crews on the water this afternoon after a two-person catamaran sailboat and a powerboat collided around 2:45 in the afternoon. The crash happened in the waters beneath the Pell Bridge. The U.S. Coast Guard, Portsmouth, Newport, Warwick, Jamestown, and Narragansett first responders and the Rhode Island Department of Environmental Management all responded. A 60-year-old woman was found unconscious as a result of the crash and pronounced dead. The medical examiner's office was brought in to determine her official cause of death. The DEM says alcohol did not play a factor in the crash. The New England 100 is a two-day sailboat race that consists of sailing around small islands in the Narragansett Bay. It starts and finishes in Newport. Now, today was the last day of that race. We did reach out to some race committee members who have yet to get back to us. The name of the deceased has not yet been released. We will continue to update you with information as it becomes available. Live in Newport tonight, Sam Reed, NBC 10 News Night Team.